Do I have enough light to do this?
Let's see. I'll test it just like that.
10 seconds. What's up, Fat? How y'all doing? What's going on, Lady Laz? What's going on, everybody? Camilla Quinn. It's a win. What's up, Sammy? Y'all see what I'm doing, right? We're doing this. Nova Loxley. I'll see you in like 2 days. Who else we got popping off here? Dreamscape. All right. What's going on, y'all? I'm here doing a shootout with my homegirl. What's up? Tell them who it is.
Hi,
Tell them what it is.
SCC, you already know.
SCC Jazz, right? This is what we doing. What up, JoJo Z? Can you borrow that trigger? So yeah, tell them where you are. This is my homegirl from Miami.
Yeah.
I'm gonna raise it up right there. Look at that. They got the elevator view right there. All the way from Miami. Ha. Your Sammy said you hot.
Thank
Yes. If Cash at me $10, I'll tip it for you guys. All right? Stays. You know, I'll give it a $10 for y'all. But yo, she's killing it right now. We doing a quick shootout event, and she's killing it. Sorry about that. Look at that, y'all. What y'all think? Such a pretty girl. Yes, Josie, she's Guyanese. Excuse me. I think she's going to be joining us in New York as well. So, if you guys aren't familiar with my homegirl, she's coming to New York. And that is at CC Jazz. Let me make sure I can put this in here. CC. You know what? I'm going to wait till you get done. What up? How's everybody doing today? I am personally having a good day. What's up, Sammy? Hey, Sammy, let's get that date. Let's make sure we talk and figure that out today. For sure. What's going on, Camille? And what we got going on? My boy is Federata cousin. What else we got here? Northeast Glamour Studio. What up, Mike? How you doing, brother? Definitely catch up. But check her out. She's super dope. What's going on? Yeah, she's thetruth.com. My man Ben, I see he joined. What's going on, Ben? How you doing? Creative Studio. So we playing with flashes today. And we got some of the best photographers around have come through to shoot this pretty lady. So if you haven't, hey Lulu, did you get those pictures I sent you today? Tell me what you think, because I think they came out pretty dope. Let's kill her. Work that. Give me that energy on that face. Yes. Dang, Ben said, dang, she is killing it. Thanks, Ben. Yeah. It's almost like you're here. All right. Yeah, I will see you on Saturday, Lulu, and I think we're going to create something else. Hey, what up, my man Greg? Why you not here for this one? Guyanese model from Miami, you know, and she even came in. She said, where's Greg? I was like, I don't know. He said he ain't want to pay. What's up, Glamour photographers? What up, my boy Stank out of VA? Killer dude out there. If y'all know him, get it popping with him. What up, PH? What up, Mike? My brother. See you on Saturday. We're going to have some fun. Olivia. She looks like somebody. Left join. Thank you for joining. We got people here from everywhere, guys. In my studio today, we have model from Miami, photographer from Virginia. Steak, man, I'm living the dream, brother. We got to get together. Hey, Steak, we should get together and do something. Like, your eye and your locations is amazing. I think we could probably kill something. So let's make that happen, bro. Nah, she's not coming to PP4, brother. She is coming to New York on the 15th. Hey, that photography. Yo, you should be here. You're like 30 minutes from me. But she will be joining us in New York on December 15th with about 7 other models. So definitely dap me up on that. Photos by Andy Rose, my brother. How are you? Bays, I see you. Stealing time from your employer to join us. I appreciate it. And who else we got going on here? And I'm actually watching, so I'm able to interact with you guys a little bit. So if you have a question, I got like 5 minutes. I can answer questions about what we're doing here. Oh yeah. My man Ed is killing it right now. He's so focused. Reg, how did you miss this one? Reg, how did you miss this one? But Reg, she's going to be with us in New York. So, you know, we got to do this Brooklyn thing. We're going to Brooklyn. It's a Brooklyn takeover. Stays with the multi-tap. Hey, man, you know, I'm like that. I'm like that. This is my homegirl, though. She's so dope. We've been shooting together about 3 years. Yeah, Dap. I do events generally weekly at Da Photography, and I have one on Saturday in Lebanon, PA. We have about 30 models that are coming through. You pay one price, and you get to shoot with all of the models. And I think we got right now we're up to 20 photographers. Norway, so can't help you. Looks like you handled this fine. Hey, Storm Seller, how are you, brother? Thank you for joining in. Certainly appreciate you joining in from Norway. So you got fans in Norway, homegirl.
Oh my goodness. Welcome.
Big Derek, it's on you, brother. Bita Rahimi. Very nice. Thank you for joining. Talk to the people. Tell them a little something about yourself.
Let's see.
She is smoking hot. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, thank you. 24 years old.
24 years old.
Recently single.
Recently single. I got all the photographers in here like, yo, can I get some one-on-ones? Yo, can we go take her to lunch? You know what I'm saying?
I love to eat.
You love to eat? Oh, damn. All right, I ain't mad at that. All right, everybody, your shit's gonna blow up. Hey, Vita, Rima. I love this profile pic you have, by the way. It's very nice. All right, so she's killing it. She got the black boots on. Right, everybody's ears just perked up, right? That's so dope. Oh, yeah, Derek with the feedback. Derek is shooting his shot as he takes pictures. She said she loved the feedback. He heard I love you. You know what I'm saying? So, yo, Derek, I like how you think, bro.
Absolutely. Oh, she killing it.
Yeah, she killed it. That's right, brother. All right, look, Derek get the best shots. Y'all see what happens when you engage with a model? You see how they connect, see the difference. You know, let's see here. We got a weirdo in this bitch. This guy, I got a weirdo in here. His name is Dom Bull. Hey, Dom, what's up, bro? You not getting enough love at home? You gotta come on a chat and engage in that way? Who does that?
I appreciate you, like I said, just getting right into the light and all that. So.
And he got like, I got him like in here. You got like 50 ones in here, man.
Perfect.
All right, but let's block you right now, brother. So see you later. What up, John? What up, John? John, Sonny, Tom Jones. How's everybody doing? Nice, a photo, man. She's freaking amazing, for real. Yeah, she's just stunning and a sweet person too, guys. Great personality. Used to play basketball. Super dope model.
Most definitely. Oh, my goodness.
You co-signing?
Absolutely.
My man co-signing. What's up, Capaco? Photography. What's going on, bro? John Bellos, what's going on, brother? How are you?
Can I get the one on? Yeah, right there. I can put the left arm down to your right there, just like that. Beautiful.
I'm blocking anybody whose name has Dom Bull in it. Good to hear that, my brother. Thank you for joining us. We're going to be here for a few more minutes as my brother shoots his set with her. He's killing it, by the way. She's killing it, too.
Absolutely.
Give it up, give it up.
But you gotta reset yourself.
Perfect.
What y'all think? That's dope right there. Yeah. I see it. What's going on?
What's going on?
Yes.
Can you get a back shot? Yo, we ain't giving you no back shots, bro. We heterosexual over here, bro. He wants a back shot. What the hell wrong with you, bro? This photography, bro. What is wrong? Yo, y'all, this dude here asked for back shot.
just like that.
Back shot. Give him a back shot.
Perfect.
I'm not doing that. You wanted to give him a back shot. I'm not doing that. I'm not even gonna put your picture on camera, bro. I'm not gonna do you dirty like that. Put your shot.
Can I squat? Do I have enough light to do this?
Let's see. I'll test it just like that.
You do. She's giving away all the good stuff to you, bro. Hey, that's not me shooting, brother. That's my other brother. My brother Derek is shooting, and Derek is amazing. Yes, I will pin her page, Beta. Thank you so much. That's a good idea. All right, sorry.
Can I get that from the front?
Yes.
All right. So, let's take a look here. CC Jack. Oh, all right. What up? What up, my bro? I see you joining, Dro. Damn fit mom.
I know it's hard.
Funny.
All right.
All right, I'm going to pin this pretty girl at the bottom. She's pinned at the bottom, y'all. Hey, look. Any shootouts I tell you should come to, you must come to. My one on Saturday is gonna be amazing, y'all. I can't even overstate how much it's gonna be. And I have a beautiful model on Monday. She's coming in from Chicago, Belle or Millie. And if you ever work with a Chicago model, bruh, you already know what it is. Bays, congratulations on getting that cover, getting the magazine with this beautiful model right here. My man Bays just got it. What up, my brother Dro? What it be like, man? You see, we shoot every day. She was on punishment. My dog was on timeout. All right, big dog, you gotta give it up. All right, my time. Yo, so y'all, I'm about to shoot with the queen, and what I'm gonna do? Let me get that boss. Let me get that trigger, man. Let me get that trigger. I won't be able to talk to you guys or engage with everyone. Philly model here. We'd love to work with you one day. Do me a favor, Diablo, because I cannot see the chats afterwards. Send me a DM real quick. All right? Send me a DM. Let me see what that looks like. We're going to turn this light off. Are you digging in your butt?
Not yet.
You know you're on cam, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to need you not to be digging in the butt.
I gotta adjust
Cam,
my
y'all.
knees.
Those boots are like super high. Like I would stand next to you and talk to the people, but
Oh yeah, no, you're gonna.
it's very
embarrass yourself.
it's very demasculating. It's very, very demasculating. And, you know, I'm not talking to nobody till I get my hair cut later. All right? So, Diablo, I'm going to be looking for your message, okay? Let me see what we get, honey. I'm going to turn this.
The flamenco look.
What's that? No. Sounds perverted as fuck. But you know what I mean?
Yes.
Nothing soft. I want everything aggressive in the face and everything. Like that. Just like that. And badass. Give me a little bit more. Yeah. Pop that head toward the light. Just a little bit. And don't cover that curve on that hip, girl. You got it right there. You got it, girl. Pull up right there. Don't lose those fingers either.
Hold on, we're just gonna grab
I gave you like 12 different instructions. But that's badass right there. I want more. So you're going to step back a little bit.
Okay.
Wide stance. Watch out for that hole.
You're not
fucking my
busting
thing up. Just twisting your waist. Perfect. Head to follow. Up. Straight up. And just turn it. Don't tilt it. Right there. Look at that shit right there. Badass. Give me that. Yeah, I like that. Give me more. Own it. Only for the face. Bend that knee right here, the front one. Just come to on the toe. Bring it on the toe. The heel is off the ground. Just a little bit. Right there. Right there. Look at that. Yeah, girl. There we go. Get it up. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's what I'm... Wow. So, I gotta show them what I got. I gotta show them what I got.
Oh my god.
I gotta show them what we got. I don't even know if y'all can really see it. Well, you see what I'm saying? That's kind of what we doing right there. All right, so let's continue to play.
Alright. I like that.
Give that one leg. Give that leg real long and strong. Yeah, right there. And let's just pull up on the side. Pull up. Yeah, pull up. Drop that head. Right there. Don't tilt it. Turn it. Right there. There you go. There we go. No modeling. I want hot shit. Badass. Give me those eyes. Aggressive. That's killer shit right there. No. Lay down. Just shake. Give me a good shake. There you go. Just shake it. Shake it hard. Yeah. I like that. Right there. Head tilted just a bit. There. Right there. Bring your hand to your hair. Give me that tension right there. Badass. Yes. More. Parse your lips a little bit. Let me get a little bit of teeth in this way. Right there. Thank you. That's killer. Yeah, girl. Yes. There we go. Come on, man. What are you doing? What the fuck we doing? Turn around. Turn around, girl. Right there. Yeah. I want a little bit of booty. Just a little bit. All right, there you go. Right, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Right there. Beautiful. That's killer. Give me that. I want that hand, big elbow coming back more towards me. And down just a smidgen. Right there. Beautiful. Right there. Beautiful. Let's go. Yeah, right there. There you go. Ooh, that was killer.
I know. I got it. Hold on.
Yeah, I like that.
Right,
just twist that waist towards me. Right there. Here we go. I got you. I got it. Give me more. Yeah, right there. Right there. I got it. Right there. Come on. Come right there. Right there, girlfriend. Beautiful. Come on, man. What we doing, y'all? What we doing, y'all?
Yes.
That shit we be doing right there. Like, that's the shit. That's what I be talking about. You know, that's the curse right there. Let's play with this right here. Yeah. I want this. Yeah. Pop. Yeah. Give me that. Lean it. Pop that leg. Right there. Yeah, as long as we got that curve popping off, I'm good with it. Beautiful. Right there. Beautiful. I like that too. That works. That's a work. That's a work right there. Yo, you on one. Right? Play with your, give me both hands in the hair, but down low. Grabbing the bottom, like the bottom of it.
Oh, the bottom part.
Yeah, right there. Just right there. Right there. Tilt you up. Right there. Look at that. Beautiful. Man, that's gorgeous, girlfriend. Play right here. That's fun. Out there. Let's kill this shit. One more. Beautiful shit, girlfriend. Last one. I think I want to go low.
Okay.
All right. Badass. Just
Let me know if I gotta come up a little bit because I feel like I'm literally just squatting here.
pose out. Bring that leg out.
Really pose out if you want me to.
Right there. Let's do it. Let's go what we do. Let's do what we do. I like that shit right there. Find that light though. Just a little bit. Right there. Badass. Yeah, right there. There we go. Yeah, give me that light. Just a little bit more. Right there. Badass. Yeah. Find that light just a little bit. Last one. Give me that baddest one right there. Bad. Hold on, mama. Last one. Here we go. Done. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much. Hold on, mama. Give me one.